best experience usually come for free. And such is my discovery of the bauxite cave pond in Otranto, a visual extravaganza that in the 60s and 70s functioned as bauxite quarry, which was used for aluminium extraction, thus the red color. However, it was closed down in 1976 because the mining processes became overly expensive and there simply wasn't enough profit. And today we're blessed with this extravagant natural hiking spot, which is perfect for catching the sunset. It'll take you about 15 minutes to circle the pond and more to enjoy the scenery. There's no entry fee to this beauty, but parking is charged. Without dispute, Alberobello is on every explorer's list, and for a good reason. There isn't a place like it anywhere in the world. The conically shaped tiny houses weren't built for a movie scene. Oh no, they are real ideas by real Apulians in Valle d'Itria. Those smart cookies back in the day found a solution to successfully avoid taxes and still enjoy the comfort of a built home. Yes, I'm talking about the trulli houses. They were easy to put down and rebuild when officials came looking for taxpayers. And that is the true story behind the Unesco World Heritage Site. Nowadays, tourism is the real reason they're kept in such good condition. If you're already in Alberobello, sneak a peek to neighboring Locorotondo, a small town in which you simply wander around. The hilled town has several majestic cathedrals, but no specific attraction that would evoke a daily procession of tourists. Walk the streets, enjoy the ceramic shops that exhibit local art and craftsmanship, and perhaps buy a new decoration to take back home. And finally, enjoy a glass of local wine in the atmospheric vineyard. An ancient legend says that a piece of Greek coast drifted and came to merge with the Apulian coast, and thus Polignano and Mare, or then known as Neapolis, came to life. The coastal town has a rich history, dating back to the Neolithic period. Later, it became the birthplace of Domenico Modugno, the author of the famous Volare song. Nowadays, Polignano is famous for cliff diving, its majestic caves and romantic dinner spots. But for several decades, the city relied exclusively on agriculture, on production of olive oil, and their famous Polignano carrots, salad, and potatoes. But when you're in Polignano, you shouldn't miss out on their local focaccia. Also, make a stop at the vintage cafeteria, where you must absolutely try the original cafe. Let me just give you a tip, it has a secret ingredient to it. Another majestic fortified white city in Apulia is called Ostuni. Unlike Locorotondo, Ostuni isn't a lively city full of locals bustling around their daily business. It's more of a monument, a sleeping city, a memory of a once upon a time, that's kept alive mostly as a site for tourists. Porto Badisco is a blue-flagged beach, especially popular among locals. You'll find it only 11 kilometers away from the city of Otranto. It can get busy during the weekends and in high season, but you'll always be able to find a spot for yourself on the rocky embankment. And don't forget to bring your goggles. Finish the day at Café's Café, where you'll enjoy the view over the Adriatic Sea, the Porto Badisco, and have a snack or drink. Worth it, just for the atmosphere. Can you see what I'm talking about? Torre dell'Orso and Le Due Sorelle are stone structures by the coast. The cliff overlooking them is perfect for a relaxing walk, and there's a beach in the beginning. Apulia is one of Italy's most pristine, unspoiled and welcoming regions. The food, the people, the nature, they all deserve every bit of our attention. And all of the places I've taken you to today are just the tip of the iceberg. So subscribe and let us discover more of Apulia together. Till next time, ciao!